Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll be showing a tutorial about Kotlin. For this series I'll be having tutorials about the Kotlin language and how to use certain functions like a if statement or a while loop or a for loop, and I'll show you variables. So when I program Kotlin I use IntelliJ IDEA. And to make a project in Kotlin or in this platform, I click Create New Project, Kotlin JVM, and I'm going to name it. I'm going to name this YouTube 1 because this is programming here. After we make the project, you're going to go down into SRC. Then you're going to right click on SRC. You're going to go to New Kotlin File Class, make a file. And name this file. You can name it anything you want. I'm gonna name this tutorial, and this is a Kotlin file. So after that, you're gonna make a function so we can put our code in. Function main args array string, and that's the first function you need when programming in Kotlin. After that, we're going to put in the simple line of code. This simple line of code in Kotlin is print line hello world. And with Kotlin, you don't need to put the semicolon. You can have it without it. After that, you run it. And we're going to run tutorial. And right now it's building. And I'll skip back when it's finished building. So it's just finished building, and this is what should pop up. Hello world. And after that, I can show you how to change the font size if you don't like how this font looks. If you have a Mac, you can click on IntelliJ IDEA, then click on Preferences, then Editor, and then change the font. For Windows like me, go to Settings, File, Settings, Editor, and then Font. And here you can change the font. My font is JetBrains Mono, size is 20, and line spacing is 1.2. So that's it for today's video. In the next video, I'll be talking about how to use variables. Alright, if you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe. Bye.